This workshop series breaks down the A3 process into smaller chunks. We meet together for a 2-hour live video conference every 1 to 2 weeks.
So we're going to do an overview of A3 both as a management purpose and as a tool, but also helping you to learn from your problems, right? Using your problems as a way to learn.
Instead of working on a scenario that we provide, we want you to have a chance to work on your own scenario from your work. The classes are 2-hour live video conferences which feature a lot of interactive elements, such as we might ask a question and then allow everybody to speak their response as well as type it in, which allows all of us to learn from each other. You don't see a lot of online classes with this level of feedback and interaction. Past attendees have found that they've actually learned almost as much from each other as they have from the facilitators.
I mean, I think in the example in the book, the guy, he rushed to get the first iteration and then went back and realized that when he looked at a lot of other examples that they'd been refreshed and updated with new insights. So I would use the word iterative.
Sure. Yeah, you might even recall when in the, I think it's the introduction, John Shook talks about his own experience learning A3 while working at Toyota. And that he can remember having to write A3s often, sometimes up to 10 times. That reflects an iterative process for sure.
The book is not set up like a workbook. It is not designed to have you read a chapter and go practice and apply it. This class puts the fire underneath you and allows you to learn a little, try a little, reflect, and build upon your learning one step at a time.